equals 10 times 4 equals 40 meters squared. So this is our area. This is the area of plaza. So let's move to the 3D shapes. So sphere. The problem is Kevin has a volleyball with a radius of 8 cm. If he wants to paint the entire surface of the volleyball, how much point will he need in square centimeters? Calculate the surface area and volume. So let's assume that this is the volleyball. And the radius is 8 centimeter. So since the formula of sphere is surface area equals 4 pi r squared, copy 4 pi. Let's substitute the radius. Since the radius is 8 centimeter squared, 4 pi r, so 8, so let's multiply 8 times 8, so 64 centimeter squared. So let's multiply this 64 to 4 pi, so it's become 256 pi centimeter squared. So now this is our surface area. This is our surface area. So let's move to the cube. The problem is a storage room is a cube with each side measuring 4 times 4 over 2 meters. What is the surface area and volume of the box? So let's assume that this is the storage room. This is the storage room. This is the storage room. So the side equals to 4 times 4 over 2 meter. So 4 times 4 equals 16 divided by 2 equals 8 meter. So we have the side. So since the formula of cube is formula of surface area in cube is surface area equals 6s squared, plus 6, so substitute the side, which is 8 meter squared. So let's multiply the 8 times 8, so it's become 64 meter squared. So let's multiply the 64 times 6, becomes 384 meters squared. So this is our surface area. This is our surface area. So let's move to the volume. So the formula of volume in cubes is volume equals side cube equals to, so let's substitute since our side is 8 meter cube. So let's multiply 8 times 8 times 8. Since 8 times 8 equals 64 times 8 equals 512. So our volume is 512 meter cube. So this is now our volume. So let's move on to the rectangular prism. The problem is John has rectangular water tank that is 9 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 4 feet high. How many gallons of water can the tank hold if 1 cubic foot is approximately 10 gallons? Find the surface area and volume. So first, let's identify the givens, which is the 9 feet long. So the length equals 9 feet, and the width is 6 feet, and the height is 4 feet. So since the formula of surface area of rectangular prism is surface area equals 2L length times width plus 2 length times height plus 2 width times height plus 2 since the length is 9 feet, so substitute times 6 feet plus 2 9 feet times 4 feet, which is the height, plus 2 6 feet times 4 feet, 2 9 times 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54 feet squared, since feet times feet equals feet squared, plus 2 9 times 4 equals 36. It becomes 36 feet squared, plus 2 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24 feet squared, plus 2 times 54 equals 108 feet squared, plus 2 times 36 equals 72 feet squared, plus 2 times 24 equals 48 feet squared. Let's add this. So the answer is 228 feet squared. So this is our surface area. So let's move on to the volumes. So since the formula of volume in prism is volume plus length times width times height. So the length is 9 feet, the width is 6 feet, and the height is 4 feet. So 9 times 6 times 4 equals 216 feet cube, since feet times feet times feet equals feet cube. So this is our volume. So since the question is how many gallons of water can the tank hold if 1 cubic foot is approximately, so volumes 216 feet cube times 10 gallons over 1 foot cube. So cancel. So 216 times 10. So 216 times 10 equals 2160 gallons. So this is the answer. Now the last is cone. Problem is Clint wants to fill a ice cream cone with an ice cream. The cone has a radius of 3 inches and a height of 4 inches. Calculate the slant height, surface area, and volume. So let's identify the given. So the height is 4 inch, and the radius is 3 inches. So first, let's find the slant find the surface area. So slant. So find the slant. The formula of the slant is square root r squared plus height squared. Tapos yati kago. Square root of 3 inches since our radius is 3 inches. 3 inch squared plus our height, which is 4 inch squared. So square root, so 3, since this squared, so 3 times 3 equals 9 inch squared plus 4 times 4 equals 16 inch squared. So let's add. So 9 plus 16 equals 25 inch squared. So this is our slant now. The square root of 25 is 5 inch. So these are slant. So next, find the surface area. So from surface area in cone is equals pi r squared plus pi r s. So plus pi, so the radius is 3 inch squared plus pi 3 inch and our slant is 5 inch. Pi 9 inch squared plus pi 9, because 3 times 3 was 9 since it's squared. So pi 3 times 5 equals 15. So 15 inch. So 9 times pi equals 9 pi inch squared plus 15 inch times 15 inch squared times pi equals 15 pi inch squared. So let's add. So our surface area 9 plus 15 equals 24 pi inch squared. So let's move to the volume. So since the formula of the volume in cone is volume plus 1 per third pi r h pi r squared h plus 1 over third pi, since the radius is 3 inch, substitute squared 4 inch the height 4 inch. So 1/3 pi 3 times 3 times 3 equals 9 inch squared, and 4 inch. So 1/3 pi, so 9 times 9 times 9 become 9 times 4 equals 27 comes in 27 inch cube, since so this is our volume. This is our volume. That's all. So 27 inch squared, so this is not the volume. So 27 times 1 equals 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So the volume is 9 inch cube. So this is the volume.